Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we will look at how to find error codes on your appliance. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. One of the most frequent questions appliance repair technicians are asked is, what different error codes mean? From the F1 error to something like an E6, E7, there are hundreds of error codes, and each manufacturer is different. The error codes help technicians determine which parts could be defective, and what to look for when you're having a problem with your appliance. So, how do you figure out what these jumbled codes actually mean? Many times you can go online and search the error code along with the make and model of your appliance. This will give you an indication of what the error code is and what you can do to correct it. Other times, if you cannot find it by searching the error code, you may have to visit a specific website to find out what your code is. Websites like ApplianceVideo.com or RepairClinic.com are great sites to go to for specific videos that will cover your error code and what it will take to correct your problem. Another thing you can do is to look for your technician's sheet within your appliance. All manufacturers have a technician diagnostic sheet located inside each appliance. This sheet is typically hidden inside to prevent homeowners from misplacing it, as it really helps the technician when he gets there to run the unit through the diagnostic mode to determine what your issues are. Here are the common areas where these sheets are hidden within each appliance. In refrigerators, they could be down by the kick plate in a plastic insert, or they could be up on top of the refrigerator by the hinge assembly. In washers, they are most commonly located behind the control panel. Always disconnect power before attempting to find this technician manual. For dryers, they are usually located behind the control panel or down by the bottom drawer assembly. In dishwashers, you will typically find the sheet located down by the bottom plate assembly on the inside of the door within a plastic insert. For ranges and ovens, the sheet is normally located by the bottom drawer assembly in a plastic insert. As for cooktops, you will find the sheet located underneath the cooktop assembly. A lot of times, they need to be uninstalled to find the technician sheet. So now you know where to find what the error codes mean, you might be wondering how to actually remove or reset them. Some error codes, like an out of balance error or oversized load error on a washer, can be reset just by unplugging or disconnecting power to the unit and letting the control board reset, along with adjusting the clothes in your washer or removing some detergent from your detergent cup and letting it go through another cycle. Other times, error codes cannot be corrected by rebooting your control board. These error codes are going to continue to pop up until your issue is rectified by a repair on the appliance. And if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.